Is there any real makol, or if you make three matches, you have Gan Eden? I looked into this some time ago. Somebody asked me the same question, and we couldn't find any makol for it for a couple of reasons. Number one, it's not something that really could even guarantee somebody Gan Eden, because if a person violates Shabbat, it doesn't matter what mitzvot they do, they have no share of the world to come. If a person's an idol worshiper, even if they helped 1,000 people get married, they're still going to Gehinnom forever. So the Torah can't promise senseless things like making matches, and therefore a person's going to go to heaven. It's just not it's not something that's a Torah. It's not a mitzvah that's obligation or anything like that. It's nice if you could help people get married and they're going to live a kosher life together. But if you're making matches between people that are violating the Torah, it's not even a mitzvah. It's actually a sin.